Hello, welcome to another training video from Sensio Titan. In this video, we're going to talk specifically about our Titan Plus range of drivers. The Titan Plus range of drivers come with a bare-ended power cable in the box. You can also opt to order a pre-molded power cable that will come with the plug ready to go. You then have the choice of multiple control options when dealing with the Titan Plus driver. These range from a hardwired light switch, which will give the customer on and off via the wall. We could also plug these using that pre-molded plug directly into a plug socket. You then have a choice of all of Sensio's controls that we create, ranging from sensors to door sensors to wireless switches and remotes. The Titan Plus driver will come in a range of different wattage sizes, starting as low as 6 watts for small applications and rising up to higher wattages such as a 150 watt driver suitable for running up to 25 meters of our flexible strip. If you're struggling to decide what wattage is correct for you, please do check out our driver calculator. This is hosted in multiple locations, including our website, and will help you decipher which driver is correct for your project. Our Titan Plus is specifically designed for a 2-pin connection. You'll find the 2-pin connection within Sensio products. This is for use with single colour, trio tone and duo ranges. We also have built-in and integrated sensor port. This means that the Titan Plus is the driver you would choose for all sensors in our range. We can opt for door sensors, maybe motion sensors, or in this instance, I have one like this, which is a touch sensor, and I can operate the lights wirelessly by a simple touch. When deciding how to control your Titan Plus driver, you have a number of options available. 2 really easy and simple options are, firstly, we could opt for a light switch on the wall. This would need a qualified electrician to hardwire the mains cable that came in the Titan driver box back to the main circuit for this light switch. That would then give the customer simple on and off operation of the lights. You could, however, if you didn't want to use a qualified electrician, we can opt for a plug socket. If deciding to use a standard 3-pin plug, we have 2 options. If comfortable, we can hardwire a plug onto the end of that bare-ended cable ourselves, or if you would prefer, you do have the option to purchase a pre-molded cable with plug already attached directly from Sensio. This is as simple as taking the mains cable, plugging it into the driver, and then taking my plug socket directly into a 3-pin plug. This cable is now taking the mains voltage and converting down within the driver to a safe plug and play voltage of 24 volts. I can come along with my lights, plug them directly into the end, and they will illuminate. The on and off for this product now is handled via the switch that's directly on the plug socket. Once our light is illuminated via either a plug socket or a hardwired light switch on the wall, we then have the option of choosing more advanced control. For example, I could opt for something like one of these sensors. Using the inbuilt sensor port on the Titan Plus driver, I plug the receiver into the side and directly in to that inbuilt sensor port. Then my pairing is as simple as a 1-touch pair. I click the button on the back of the receiver, the back of the sensor, the lights will flash, and I now have on and off operation, and I also have the ability to hold down on that sensor and adjust the brightness. In a further video, we will discuss the full range of sensors in a little more detail. We have touch sensors, motion sensors, door sensors, and a lot more to cover. Being able to operate the Titan Plus driver via a plug socket makes installation incredibly easy. If we take a standard kitchen example, we can use a plug socket that's potentially hidden behind the plinth or above the wall units, and we're able to leave that plug socket on continuously, and our on and off of our lighting is all achieved via our touch sensor. Similarly, if we were to use these Titan Plus drivers, let's say in a bedroom setting or a media wall, we can hide the plug socket away, install the sensor just with a simple 1-touch pair, and then operate the lighting on and off without needing to access the plug socket that remains on continuously. If looking to control multiple sensors via one Titan Plus driver, look out for our video on this component here, a Titan Plus sensor adapter that allows for more advanced control. We now know that Titan Plus would be used for plug socket, light switch and sensor control. Not only that, we can also opt for our Sensio remote. Look for our video on remotes and receivers where we will explore those control options.